Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover showing today this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque D200 edition finished in black. This 2025 model comes with a 2-litre diesel engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The front LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. This Evoque has around 590 litres of usable boot space capacity, allowing for larger luggage items as well as pushchairs or golf clubs, and they can be closed automatically with just the push of a button. Stepping into the back of the car, we will find the ebony grained leather seats with the ebony interior. The seats do contain ISOFIX points, and there is a fold-down armrest which will reveal 2 exposed cup holders, and there is also a rear climate control panel for backseat passengers to utilise with 2 USB ports and a 12-volt socket. Making our way into the front of the car, we will find the continuation of the ebony interior, and the seats are the same as in the back, this time with additional side support for extra comfort, and they are electronically operated with lumbar support. Here's a closer look at the 3-spoke multifunctional leather-wrapped steering wheel, with controls on the left for the virtual cockpit and hands-free options, and on the right for the cruise control and heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit itself has different display layout options to best suit driver preference, including 1 and 2 dial, as well as media and map. So speaking of map, the main touchscreen infotainment system has satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can access radio with FM and DAB, and we can connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated seats are found here as well, with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions, and by clicking the camera icon in the bottom left we can bring up the rear view parking camera, 3D imagery and satellite imagery. Beneath this pocket there is a place to store your phone with a USB-C port, and behind the centre console there are 2 exposed cup holders, and the armrest can be lifted up to reveal a storage pocket inside with another USB charger. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.